Okay, quick update on the Power Fist 3000 PSI pressure washer. As you can see, there is a battery in it, and it cranks, but it will not start. I know pretty much it's a fuel and carburetor issue. The fuel in it's pretty yellow, so it's probably gummed up the carburetor. So this will have to be dug into at a later date. That battery is a little on the weak side. It's gonna have to go on a charger, but my charger is currently being used for other batteries. So I'll put that on a battery tender instead, but I want to pressure wash this. So I'll be doing a separate video, probably make it into a short before and after of washing this. It'll come out after this video, and I don't know at this point when this video will be released. One other issue, it's minor. I need to actually get a quick change adapter for right there for the hose. That's what it had on it. And this small piece of hose is the inlet. So the issue is on the actual hose here, it's got a quick change. So I wish I would have kept around my old pressure washer, because I think it may have had a quick change on it. I'm not 100% sure on that though. So anyways, I'm gonna get the jumper pack moved, take a couple before and after take some before pictures, I should say. Then I'll take some after pictures, and that will go into a short, make it a lot easier. So there we go. Yes, it will run. It does seem like the pump is good. Whenever it was cranking, it was definitely building up pressure. So we should be okay on this. Just got to charge that battery and get the carburetor cleaned, the fuel system cleaned, and this thing should be up and running. Did I overpay? That's to be determined. So there we go. I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.